Hello kids, colors name. Kids, let's learn to week's name. Kids, beautiful color. Colors name kids. Blue color, orange color, green color, red color, pink color, light pink color, green color, light green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color and pink color. Sunday. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. Monday. Monday means Somar. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. Thursday. Thursday is Guruvar. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Sunday, Ravivar. Monday, Somar. Tuesday, Mangalwar. Wednesday, Budhwar. Thursday, Guruvar. Friday, Shukrar. Saturday, Shanivar. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.